Sir, 11025.
11025 is the right answer. Okay, so what we have been talking about by now is, I said you I am not there to teach you mathematics. I am there to teach you what I'm there to teach you, to make you mathematician.
Logic.
Then I taught you that let us go in depth of the concept. So we went into the squaring end. Okay, we went into the squaring method. Now from this squaring method, can we do something more? Then I will be showing you one more idea. Okay, just check 35 into 36. Okay, answer is 1260. How I got it? Okay, then 3 plus 1 4. 4 threes are 12. Okay, 4 threes are 12. Just
Well,
huh. So 35 into 36 is there. You know how to get the answer of 35 into 35. So I will cancel this 36 and I will make it 35 plus 1. So 35 into 35, you know answer how to get it. What is the answer of 35 into 35? 1225.
1, 2.
1225 plus 1 time 35 more. So 35 into 35. So 1225 plus 35 is 1260. Okay, 1260. So it is very easy to find the answer. If you know 35 square, so you can do 36 square, 34 square, 35 into 36, 35 into 34, and you can do many more things. Okay, this is just a demo, so I'm giving you some ideas only. Okay, so let us now learn. We learn that we can go into this concept, but can we create? So we need to have a lateral vision. We need to enhance ourselves, and we need to observe the problem. Now see this sum 35 into 35. When I do it, last number sum total is becoming 10. So 5 plus 5 become 10, and 3 is common. Whenever I get this situation, I can do any type of sum. Okay, let us take a sum 32 into 38. So what do you find? 2 plus 8 is 10 and 3 is common. So my answer is 1216. How I got it? I will apply the same trick. I will leave the unit place number at a side. So remaining number is 3. I will increase it by 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 threes are 12, and I will multiply unit place, that is 2 into 8, that is 16. Okay, 2 into 8 is 16. Okay, so now there are a lot of questions which can come in. Can we do 44 into 48? If the first number subtotal is 10, if any number sum total is 10, do we know the magic square which can extend such ideas? So there are many such questions what we need to work out, and we will be working into our proper lectures. Okay, our motto is to take you on the trip of mathematics. Okay, historical facticity. Okay, let us see in history what is an interesting about maths. So let me talk. Okay, do you know in India, okay, highest number what we know, is Mahaogha given by Valmiki, that is 10 raised to 60, that is after 10 60 zeros. Okay, Kachayana gave Asankhya, that is 10 raised to 140, that is after 10 140, that is a huge number. Okay, anyone could have taken into consideration. Okay, if you want to understand geometry and trigonometry, then you can see Sulva and Shrauta Sutra. In Sulva and Shrauta Sutra, this is basically, Sulva Sutra means people say maths by rope. Of course, it is a maths by rope, but basically it is a maths for ritual. Sulva, if you see in old Sanskrit dictionary, then it means ritual. Then lot of mathematics has been done for ritual. So when you do a Havan, okay, Havan, Puja, marriage, you have seen all these things, right? So in Havan, Puja, when we are doing it out, what is happening is we keep square Vedis यानी altars, or what we call it Havan Kund. Okay, so it is nowadays square only, but ancient days every different Vedi had a different shape. जैसे Purnamasi Vedi was trapezium shape. Okay, other Vedi were semicircle. So there was a process to make it, and also it has been said that the home what we give into the that havan should fall in center of the havan. So there are different calculation where you sit, where audience will sit, how they will be putting up the things out. So this all calculation have been given in Sulva and Shrauta Sutra. They use the word called Tanjaya Kotanjaya. Okay, you are sixth standard student. For you, it will be very early to understand this word, but when you will go in ninth standard, you will learn trigonometry where there is a something called tangent and cotangent, which is same way used into Sulva and Shrauta Sutra. Okay, there is Bhaskaracharya's Leelavati. I had taken a very beautiful session on Leelavati. Many of you have missed it out. Just last week, I have taken up this session. Sometime you want it, we will take again. So in that, Bhaskaracharya is good taking his daughter Leelavati to various places, and he is teaching. He goes into the kitchen, he teaches us sums there. So now he goes into the jungle and he says there are two monkeys sitting on a tree, and from a tree there at a certain distance there is a coop. Coop means well. Okay, kuwa hai. Okay, now one monkey jumps straight on the well and drink the water. One monkey come down and go to the well. Who travels more? Leelavati, if you are smart, tell me. This is nothing else but a Pythagoras theorem which we got 200 years after Bhaskaracharya. There was an Al-Khwarazmi named traveler who was traveling across the world and he came to India. Okay. In fact, he went to Egypt first, and in Egypt he saw that people are calculating height of pyramid on base of its shadow. So he asked it, how did you learn? Though they said that Al-Arkan Al-Hindu, that is this technique comes from Hindustan, that is from India. So Al-Khwarazmi came to India to understand all this thing, and he read Aryabhatiya. He went back and on Khalifa's order, he translated it into Arabic, and his book name was given was Hisabe al-Jabar Mawal Mukbalaha. Okay, this Hisabe means account of what he learned into India. Mawal Mukbala means new way of facing, and Al-Jabar means equation. Okay, Britisher like this book, they translated into English. Okay, they didn't wanted to use such a big name, so they kept the name Aljabar. They were not able to pronounce, so today so they were mispronouncing it, and they started using the word algebra, and today we know this algebra as an algebra. So see how our Indian history has been rich. We will be talking a lot of thing about the history. Okay, we don't just teach
So,
mathematics, but we play with mathematics. Do you want to play with mathematics? Okay, let me
yeah.
give you a riddle. Okay, let me give you a riddle. There is a problem of Champaklal. There is a problem of Champaklal. He has a garden in which there are just 50 flower plants. How many flower plants are there? 50.
50.
Okay, certain plants with 13 petals. You know, na, flower has petals. Okay, certain plants with 13 petals and certain plant with 26 petals. Okay, so now we need to find it out from 50 of the plants or 50 flower, how many? Okay, how many of them are 13 petal and how many of them are 26 petal? But if anyone closes the eyes and plug the flower, then under all possibilities at least one flower will be of 26 petal, and second maybe 13 petal or 26, but one will be definitely 26. आप आंख बंद करो और कोई भी फ्लावर को हाथ लगाओ, दो टाइम हाथ लगाओ, एक तो 26 वाला होगा ही होगा, सेकेंड टाइम हाथ लगाओगे तो वो 13 होगा या तो 26 होगा, but 26 petal flower will be surely there. So can you tell me how many 26 flower petal are there and how many 13 petal flowers are there? Can you tell me? No? Shall I give you the answer? 26
So
petal
one.
plants are 49 and 13 petal plant is only one. That is the reason anytime you touch 26 milega hi milega, because all are 26 except one, and 13 you can get it rarely. Okay, so this is how we will be changing the perception of mentally affected teacher harassing student to most able teacher helping student. Do you enjoy today's session? Did you enjoy today's session? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes? We
Yes.
learned so many things. So what ISMCC want to give? See, this is a demo. You understand? We are not teaching everything, but still you learned lot many things here. Okay. So what is an advantage of ISMCC? So it is a lifetime achievement. You learn one time, it will be helping you out throughout the life. Okay. It is breaking the mathematical phobia. Many of us do not like maths because we have a fear of maths. Okay. It generates interest in mathematics. Okay. It prepare for competitive exam as well as world. Tomorrow you are going to go for one or the other competitive exam. Tell me yes or no. Okay, you want to become engineer, you want to become lawyer or anything. You have a competitive exam after 12. So for that you are getting prepared. Make them think creatively and laterally. Build solid foundation for academic and career success. Give confidence to take on new challenges. Strengthen character to overcome obstacles. Generate complete potential in life. Motivating rewards, performance reward, innovation reward, highly trained and efficient teachers, cumulative practice with detailed knowledge, explaining techniques with practical example, historical fact, conceptual rationality, unearthing linguistic jargon, playful and cheerful atmosphere. We will be always been playing, we will be always every lecture I will be showing you the magic tricks or any historical part or any puzzle. Positive response from student as well as parents. We establish what you expect from ISMCC and what ISMCC will expect from you. So in the given time, I have given you all the possible things. Now it is you who can apply it and go ahead. Okay, whatever you have learned, you spread it off, bring in more and more people, and also join us for our entire paid course. I hope you have enjoyed. Okay, you put on your messages into the group that how did you find and what was the most enjoyable thing. And with this, I will like to thank you all. Do you have any question? Do you have
No,
any question?
sir, the story what you told about the Aryabhatta, so that was around like 1100 years ago.
Yes, it was 1100 years ago.
Because I had just read that Aryabhatta was like 1100 years ago he was living.
True, Aryabhatta was 1100 years ago. This Al-Khwarazmi was 900 years ago. So after 200, 300 years, he translated it and then algebra came in. And then after that 100 years
Yeah.
little algebra came in. Okay. We had a very, very brief and elaborative stories of Bhaskaracharya and ancient Indian mathematicians and all in my previous lectures. You missed it out. Okay, I will send you the videos. Okay, you are interested? I will send you the
Yes, sir.
videos. Okay, there is Ayesha ma'am in
Sir,
our
it was
group.
very amazing.
You can ask Ayesha ma'am, she will send you all the details. Okay, okay. Also, you can join the
Yes.
course. It was very nice. In the group, you put up all the messages. Okay, we will share all the things. Okay, so anyone want to say